Hey, have you been looking for a fresh new lead source so you could get more leads, sales, and signups into your online business? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And what I can tell you is that not all traffic is created equally, right? It depends on if you actually are a marketer, right? So a lot of people who sell traffic are not marketers, but some marketers sell traffic. So when you're getting traffic, you want to get traffic from a marketer who sells traffic, not from a solo ad vendor, right? There's a difference. Solo ad vendors just sell clicks. They don't really do any, marketing. A marketer sells traffic, right? A traffic provider is somebody who sells traffic. So keep that in mind when you go to get, traffic from anybody. Now, if you are getting traffic from people, a lot of people don't tell you to do this, right? This is my, traffic store, and I tell people to do these kind of things so they know how to get the best results with their online traffic, right? So if you're building your business, you want to be sending out emails, and you want to make sure that your emails are congruent with your offer. And before you start sending out emails, you want to actually make sure your domain name and the reputation for your domain and the IP reputation as well. You want to make sure that's all in good standing, right? Because if your domain name, reputation and your IP reputation are not in good standing, then your emails will never make it to the inbox, right? And you could check the domain reputation through Google Postmaster, right? So if you're getting low open rates, you want to check that, and I can help you to do that, right? A lot of people don't tell you to do this kind of stuff, but it has to be good, because the email service providers, they want you to be sending out good emails. If you send out good emails, they're going to land in your inbox of people, right? So they're going to land in the inbox, and also you're going to get more people who engage with your emails. When your emails are spammy and they're not very good emails, and they're not really being delivered to the inbox and they're being marked as spam, what's going to end up happening is the email service providers are going to say, well, we can't have them on our platform because they're going to mess up our servers, right? So in order to stay in good standing with your email service provider, it's important to actually be writing good emails. So that way you get delivered to the inbox. Now, there's steps to make sure that you get good deliverability, but good deliverability is one thing that you need to make sure when you're sending out solo ad traffic, and that's why I go over it. Also, why you should get traffic from me is not only because I'll help you to get the best results possible with your paid traffic. I want you to understand, how to get very targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting. Remember, I said that they have to be congruent. You also want to make sure that your, landing page and your sales copy are congruent. And most importantly, you want to make sure that the, traffic source that you're getting traffic from is high quality, right? And I had to learn the hard way. When I first got started online, I was told to just, send traffic to a funnel and be consistent with it, and I would get all these sales, right? And I got sales here and there, but I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know anything about, tracking. I didn't know anything about domain name, reputation. I didn't know anything about IP reputation. I didn't know anything about that stuff, and I was just sending traffic to a funnel, seeing if I would get sales, hoping and praying that I would get sales. I was consistent with it. It landed me $87,000 in debt, and I don't want that to happen for you, right? So the reason why I tell you these things is so you can avoid my mistakes and so that you can build and grow your business without going $87,000 in debt. And this was when I was in, school. I was going to college at the time, and I was, working in fast food at night, and then I would wake up and I would go to college early in the morning. So I would not really have a lot of time because my college would be from 8 o'clock to 5, and then I would go and I would go into my job, which I hated at the time, and I would work till 1 a.m. in the morning, and we would close at 1 a.m., and then I would have to wake up and do it all over again. So most of my time was consumed. I didn't have a lot of money back then, but I had a lot of, credit. So I put it on credit, and it landed me in a hole, right? So I don't want you to make those same mistakes. And when you get traffic, you need to know where the traffic's coming from. So when you get traffic from me, it comes from Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So that's basically where you're going to get traffic from, a mix of different, traffic sources. And I want to help you to understand how to manage your funnel and your offers, and how to get you as high as an 85% opt-in rate. So that's what I'm going to help you to do. Whenever you order traffic from me, you also get a strategy call. You can book the strategy call after you actually order a traffic package, and I will go and I will review your pages, help you to get the best results possible with them. And I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because that's very important to know where each lead is coming from and know the conversion rate that you're getting through your funnel. Because if you're spending money and you're not getting a lot of leads through your funnel, then you're wasting your money, right? Leads are money, right? For me and for you, right? So when I send leads, that's money, right? Every click is money, right? And every lead that you get is money as well, right? So it's very important to know these things. And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, not just people who are on your list who see a bunch of different offers, who never really get to know who you are, and who never really know anything about you, right? This is a long-term business for a long-term, relationship. And so you should be building relationships at all times with people on your email list. With solo ads, it's important to know how to do them the right way. And so, when you get a, traffic package from me, you can get as low as 50 cents a click. You can book your package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. And then you can book a review, a strategy call, a campaign review. And that's what I'll go over with you. I'll tell you about your funnel. I'll tell you how to increase your results. I'll tell you what you can do to actually make more money online, and how you can get the best results possible with your paid traffic, right? And then step 3 is we do your launch of your campaign within 72 hours or less. So that's how it actually works. But when you book your strategy call, it will happen after your strategy call, right? Here's some of the results that I got for people. Here's 90% opt-in rate right here. Here's my highest to date. And then I have, a lot of other testimonials right here. So take a look at this for yourself. And then here's your 90% tier 1, traffic. Here's your 100% tier 1 traffic. 100% is always going to be the best quality traffic that you could possibly get. Here's the questions that people ask. So if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, they're probably going to be down here. So make sure you take a look down here. Here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is that you get 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people. And I do not issue refunds. So if you order traffic from me, understand that the order is final. It is paid traffic. But I will help you if you have any issues with your order. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if you want to change things, I will accommodate you with your traffic. You will get exactly what you ordered. In fact, I will over deliver on my order that I give you, right? I will give you the best quality possible when it comes to traffic, and I will give you the most support that you'll ever get when you're going to buy traffic, right? If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you can leave them down here, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook is Gio Ambrose Gianta. That is my Facebook page, but make sure it's the right Facebook page, because There's a lot of fake pages of me out there. The real page is going to have a Facebook URL in my banner, in my Facebook banner. That's going to be the real page, and there's going to be a lot of engagement on there. So if you don't see there's a lot of engagement, if you see that the Facebook page link is wrong, then it's not my page, right? And if you click on the link below this video, it's going to take you to a Facebook group. That's my Facebook group, where you can get tips, tricks, and training on how to build and grow your business. Also, I have a link in the description for my traffic store. So make sure you click on that link below to get into my traffic store. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos that I upload, so you can stay on top of anything that I upload as far as content. Make sure if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you leave them down below, and I will answer any questions or concerns you put below. So make sure you leave comments. I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.